a man has been arrested for the brutal murder of an 18-year-old out of the West Valley. Yesenia Norman was reported missing last month and later was found stabbed to death in the suspect's apartment. 12 News journalist Chase Golightly is joining us live tonight after speaking with Tolleson police about this case. And Chase, it took them quite some time to find this suspect.
Kirby, that's right. That's because police tell us the suspect actually fled the state of Arizona right after the murder took place, finding him 1,600 miles away in Mississippi. Now, tonight we also uncovered arrest documents detailing what investigators found when they stepped foot inside his apartment. And we do want to warn you, those details are disturbing.
The last time Yesenia Norman was seen alive was on January 15th, when police say the 18-year-old went on a date with 27-year-old Randall Basilio Santillon, the man who would later be accused of killing her.
She had met him on a social media dating website.
Lieutenant Lee Garrett with Tolleson police say the two went on one or two dates before, but this time Norman didn't come home. After 4 days, one of her roommates reported her missing, and the search began. A week and a half later, court documents say police got a welfare check call at this Tolleson apartment complex.
There was an odor coming from there.
A foul smell and flies gathering around the door. When police entered, the floor was covered with maggots and Norman's body found covered in blankets. Police said she was stabbed more than 20 times. Her face appeared to have been cut off with a knife.
Based on the investigation, she was there for at least a week.
A neighbor told investigators just after midnight on the last day Norman was seen, they heard a fight happen inside the apartment, followed by a loud thud. The apartment belonged to Santillon and his wife, but documents say they separated in December. After the body was discovered, neighbors said they hadn't seen Santillon in weeks.
We can tell that he did leave the state that day.
Detectives using license plate scanners and cell phone tracking, Santillon was seen moving through Arizona, Texas, Illinois, Missouri, then Mississippi. With the assistance of law enforcement there, they located Santillon at a mobile home park.
They executed the search warrant, took him into custody without incident, during which time he'll be booked in on first-degree murder and kidnapping charges.
He's now awaiting extradition back to Arizona.
Prosecutors are calling for $1 million cash-only bond. They say that the suspect is a Mexican national, came to Arizona in 2022 obtaining a green card through marriage. They do believe he is a flight risk. We're live in Tolleson tonight. Chase Golightly, 12 News.
All right, Chase, thank you.